Okay guys, just gonna go over real quickly the things that I have used to set up the makeshift buffet in my dining room before we get into this video sponsor, which is Asoko. First we have here, you guys probably won't recognize this particular ginger jar because I painted it. I hauled it a while back in the original color. Let's see, was this. And I'll put a screenshot right here somewhere of what it used to look like, and I did purchase it from Tuesday morning. These came from Target. Actually, yeah, from Target this year. The crystal candle holders came from a variety of places. This one I've had for many years, the smaller one here. The other two, if I'm not mistaken, I think I got it from Tuesday morning. You all know about the faith sign. That was a Burlington find. The horse is an at-home find. I've had that for years. This pretty vase here, and as you can see, I left my Real Touch Norfolk stems in just for the winter look. But this vase was $19.99 and it came from Home Goods. And I've had this one for quite a while. I did purchase it this year, but I've had it for a while, just never hauled it. You guys know these if you've been following me. I purchased these from Dollar General, the glass vase with the etching, and these were $5. Inside of here is a crystal angel candle holder. Let me see if I can show you guys without breaking anything. This belonged to my mom. And as you can see there, just in the back, this is where you would place the candle holder. Forget about that right there, guys. This globe is a story in and of itself, thanks to hubby. Okay. And I just have this sitting in here for now on this side. These candle holders here were a thrift find, and they are actually by Lennox. And I think I paid $3 for them, for the pair. There's another one here. Okay. This vase here was also a thrift find. A couple of months ago. And I think I paid maybe $4 for it. And you can easily find these at Home Goods and her sister stores for more than $4 to $5. Okay. So this is how my console buffet is set up temporarily. And the mirrors here, I've had these for years. I just did an upgrade on them and changed them from the, it was more of a copper bronzy, and I just spray painted them with the bronze or brass gold Rust-Oleum paint. That's it. All right, let's get into the second part of this video, which is sponsored by Asoko. Okay guys, here is how your under cabinet lighting is going to be sent to you, and I'm going to turn it this way just to conceal my address. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, here's your lighting system. And guys, there will be a 15% discount code that I will have down in the description box if you're interested. Here's your lighting. Okay. Liking this sleek profile, they can make sure that this is well hidden under any cabinet. Here are all of your controls here. This is your USB port where you would charge it. Your on and off switch is located here, or you'll switch to put it on auto as a timer. Here's where you change your settings. And this is where your lighting sensor is. Okay, let's get it charged up. Also, here's your USB cord and your 3M. That rascal's in there, isn't it? Okay, you get two 3M sticky surfaces with the metal plate because it is also magnetized. Okay, now since my cabinets already have underlighting cabinet lighting in my kitchen, I'm going to be using this here on my console in the dining area. And as you can see, once it's installed, you won't be able to see this, but you will be able to see the intense lighting that this small and sleek under cabinet lighting will emit. All right, let's get into it. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you before I actually installed it. Here on the back, you have the two areas where you can see you can attach the magnet pieces here, just like that. Real simple, real easy. I think this is one of the most easiest under cabinet motion sensor lighting units there is out there. The on and off button, I'm going to go ahead and show you how that works real quick. Okay, we're going to simply turn it on. Let's turn the overhead light on so you can see this just a little bit better. All right, there we go. Here's where you change your settings. I'm hoping you guys can see that. Now we're going to go ahead and install it under the cabinet here. And the great thing about this little lighting unit, guys, is not just meant for under cabinet lighting. It can be used anywhere that you need additional lighting, that you don't want to do any hard wiring. It's great for closets, garages, bathrooms, anywhere that you need that additional lighting. This is a really perfect solution, inexpensive solution to boot. Now, once again, these are super sensitive indoor motion sensor lighting. The new curved design upgrade. It has a 5 color temperature and stepless dimming, 3 working modes to adjust, and you charge it with your USB cord for energy saving. I'm going to activate the motion sensor just so you will be able to see in the dark how brightly this light shines. And your lighting remains on for 10 minutes. Now here I'm just showing you, excuse me, how the lighting looks as you're sitting at the dining table. You barely can see it. Its very sleek design makes sure of that very well. So that's it for this portion of the video. Your go-to for your under cabinet lighting, motion censored, ASOKO. And now I just want to share with you guys how I have my entryway style for the transition between winter and spring. The gold silhouette little statue figurine you see here was a purchase from Ross. And the reason I purchased it is to give it some continuity with the artwork that's behind it right over there. I also purchased this female bust from Ross for the same purpose. And what I didn't know is there was a male version, and I am on the lookout for that because I do want to have both of them to create kind of a story over here that goes along with the artwork back there. Now this picture here is just a picture of my lady, my mom. The resin wood piece you see there was a purchase from Hobby Lobby. The mirrored boxes was a thrift find. And here's just a little placard my son and my grandbabies gave me just to put a smile on my face, which says, "My granny does it all. The cook, the baker, the candlestick maker. We love you, Mom." And it did put a smile on my face. The taupe box that you see here, that was also a thrift find, which it did not look like that when I purchased it, and I'm still not through with it. Here's another picture of my lady. I miss this lady so much, you guys. You just don't know. The resin books you see here was a purchase from the At Home store. And down at the bottom, I just have a few decorative boxes and some crystal vases that were for my mom. And on the other side, you guys have seen that little trunk case several times. That's just a storage box that I keep batteries and different things we need to have quick access to. And this is it, guys. This is just how I have it styled until spring comes along. And I want to thank you all for watching. You guys stay woke, stay prayed up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.